Enjoy refreshing, customizable comfort with the Hessaire MC26A Evaporative Cooler. This air cooler uses the natural power of evaporation to cool your porch, patio, or other outdoor space. It can also be used indoors when fresh airflow is present, or in semi-indoor spaces like garages. Featuring 2100 CFMs of cooling power, the Hessaire covers up to 700 square feet. Oscillating louvers swing from side to side, circulating cooled air throughout your space. Just plug the air cooler into any standard 120-volt outlet and fill the 7-gallon tank through the door on the front. Or attach a standard garden hose to the hookup using the included adapter. This allows you to use the cooler continuously without refilling the tank. Once the tank is full, turn the cooler on. Press the pump button and allow 5 to 10 minutes for the cooling media to soak. Select a fan speed and enjoy instant cool relief. For really hot days, add the included ice packs or regular ice cubes to the tank. Featuring advanced digital controls, the Hessaire gives you better than average control over your comfort. Switch on the swinging louvers, set an auto shutoff timer, and select a fan speed. You can even control the moisture output by holding the pump button and selecting your desired relative humidity. These features are also available on the included remote control. The Hessaire Swamp Cooler is 32 inches high, 20 inches wide, and 13 inches deep. It weighs 21 pounds when empty and comes with rolling casters for easy portability. Still have questions? Call or email our friendly product experts, and we'll help you choose the right air cooler for your space.